Now, what did you do this weekend?
Bought some chickens.
How many chickens?
10 chickens.
Why?
Listen to this.
So I can have chickens.
Wait,
Listen
I
to
done
this.
bought a ferret and everything else.
From where?
Chicken. Tractor Supply. I done told you.
oh, I thought you said Best Buy.
Huh?
Go ahead, say it. Say it.
Say what?
Say what you just said you were going to say.
What did I say I was going to say?
You said, you should say that,
What I said,
hey,
the girls, they lay with me.
nobody wants to lay with you.
Everybody wants to.
No.
You just don't.
Name 5.
What?
Name 5 girls.
That girl's already been with us.
Okay, because you can't guess any. I mean, if I were you, I would at least make up some names. Brianna, Ashley, Tisdale, Miranda. I got a text message.
I wish food would get done.
Hey, hey, guess what? Cheese! This boy